Hi, Felicity. So what I figured I'll do is I'll just show you the factoring, and if you end up being stuck on the FOIL part, just let me know and I'll make you a little video for that too. I only have 5 minutes on Screencastify because I don't pay for it. So if I get cut out, I'll just finish it with another video. All right. So let's say that you're asked to FOIL, or not FOIL, excuse me, factor this polynomial, x squared minus 2x minus 35. Okay. So because it has three things and there's nothing that you can pull out of all three, like you can't take an x out from 35, it doesn't have one. You can't take like 2 from everything because 2 doesn't go into everything. So you're kind of stuck. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and set up these parentheses because it's going to factor into a FOIL problem. So this x squared, you're going to split up and put one of them in each set of parentheses. Okay, so this is just a really easy trick to use. And then I always make an X and I put the last number first, and then the middle number goes down. And then I always also write times and plus to help me remember what I want my magic numbers to do. So you want to find factors of 35. So things that multiply to make 35. You don't have many choices. You have 35 and you have 1 and you have 7 and you have 5. That's it. Those are the factors of 35. So your job is to figure out, okay, how can I make -2 and -35 from these guys? So I always just try to think, how do I make -2? Well, I can't make -2 from 35 and 1. There's no way to do that, but I can do it with 5 and 7. I could make my 7 negative and my 5 positive, right? And check it. -7 plus 5 gets you -2. And -7 times 5 makes -35. So these are your magic numbers. There's always going to be exactly one set of magic numbers. So you can't get any other possible answer. So once you do that, the math is done. You just fill it in. So put one of the numbers in one parenthesis and the other number in the other parenthesis. So if you have a -7, you write -7, and you have a +5, you write +5, and that's it. You just reverse FOILed. All right, I'm going to do another one for you. Sometimes you just need to see it a couple times. Whoops, go back. Here we go. All right, we have x squared plus 3x minus 4. So again, you're going to have to start by making your parentheses. You're going to split the x squared amongst each parenthesis. And then we're going to make our x. What's last comes first. And we want the top to be times and the bottom to be plus. So just start by finding things that multiply to make 4. Don't even worry about -4. Just think 4 for right now. You have 4 and 1, and you have 2 and 2. That's it. There's no other choices. So your job is to figure out, okay, from which of these pairs can give me +3 somehow. So there's no way to use 2 and 2 and get 3. It's just not possible. So that one's out. But you absolutely can somehow use 4 and 1 to make 3 if you had 4 and -1. Well, 4 minus 1 gets you 3, and 4 times -1 gets you -4. So it works. You found your magic numbers. Just fill them in, and you're done. +4, -1. Boom. Okay, I'm going to clear one more time here. Let's do one more factor problem. So we have y squared plus 19y plus 18. So again, I know my answer is going to look like this. Like that's just going to happen. I'm going to divvy this guy into the front of each parenthesis. And then my x will take care of both of the 18 and the 19. So I don't have to worry about those right now. So last comes first, middle goes bottom, times, oops, go back. It's not letting me click here. There we go, times and plus. All right, so think of things that make 18 when you multiply. So you have 3 times 6, you have 2 times 9, and you have 1 times 18. All right, definitely 3 and 6 can't make 19. 9 and 2 can't make 19, but oh yeah, 18 and 1 definitely makes 19. So you're going to fill in your parentheses with both a positive 18 and a positive 1. Right? That's your factor. That's reverse FOILing.